Dan, welcome. Good morning. In a way, this mirrors 6 months ago when the stock went on a bender and was down about a third after earnings. But this in the opposite direction. What are the core trends when it comes to your price increases and also when it comes to students being excited about being back at school that's fueling this?
Yeah. Hey, John. Thanks for having me. So what we saw was a return to normalcy in terms of the incoming freshman class and a return of the previous year's freshman class. We still have yet to see, and we expect eventually we will see it, the 1.5 million students that left during COVID and took jobs that haven't come back yet in any meaningful way. And when they do, that will also boost our business. What we're seeing is trends where students are going to bigger state schools. They're going to historically Black colleges and universities. They're going to online schools. They're looking for more flexibility, and they're taking fewer classes while they're in school, and they're taking classes more like 12 months a year rather than over the 9-month period. All of these things are good trends for Chegg, but we're seeing a little bit of return to normalcy pre-pandemic.
So what does this mean for how you position and I guess continually reposition Chegg for the future of particularly higher ed? Does this mean that mobile becomes more important because students aren't necessarily sitting down at a desk in school in that mode as they might have been in the past? Does it change how you look at academic resources and access to them?
Actually, it's a phenomenal question. It changes the user experience, and we're seeing an increase in the U.S. of app downloads. For exactly that reason. But what it really changes is a recognition that students have had very little academic support in their life, and that's what we do the best. But now we're adding non-academic support. We're adding things like Calm for meditation and stress relief, and we're going to be adding skills to prepare you not only for your first job, but actually make you employable as a result of it. So what students are depending more on from Chegg is the ability to bring them more value, academic, non-academic, and skills. And that will increase our TAM, ARPU, yield, and we're beginning to see some of those things in our results and our profitability. So we actually think the future is a lot brighter than the past, and we're pretty excited about it.
Yeah, Dan, I know last night on the call you talked about the textbook business, how less reliance on that has brought down your marketing costs. I want to ask you, though, about cybersecurity. The FTC has been looking into your practices for data breaches in 3 years. How much are you investing in cybersecurity now? And what can you tell current or potential students about the safety of their data if they are working with Chegg?
Yeah, the first thing I could tell them is I don't really understand what the New York Times article was. These are data breaches from 2 years ago and 4 years ago. We had 2 external ones and 2 smaller ones internal. We have met and are meeting all of the cybersecurity issues. So this is something where the government makes PR announcements. We knew the announcement was coming. The Times got a lot of it wrong and had to retract it. But we are very, very careful. For example, we don't store any of your credit card data. We have eliminated a lot of the personal data that we had over the previous 10 years. We collect a lot less data. The data we collect, though, is all about personalization. It's all about your classes. It's all about what your curriculum is. It's all about what your needs are. It's not the kinds of personal data that other sites collect that we no longer do. So their data is safe. These were, as I said, issues that were between 2 and 4 years ago. So we've been in very good shape, have invested heavily, will invest heavily because we understand how important